Hello, crafty friends. Ooh, ha, ha, ha. It's Trinae. And I'm here today to share this quick, easy, sweet treat with you all that I created. It's one of those projects that you can literally do in 10 minutes, and it's great if you have like a lot of coworkers or friends or kids in your child's classroom. I think this would be the perfect project for it, and it's really cute. So this is my little tag. As you can see, you can get to the candy from the back, but I think it's just too adorable, and I'm going to show you just how I created it. So first, I'll walk you through what I have on my craft mat. I have these containers right here, and these are for my favorite things. They are the Nugget Trio replenisher shaker thing. So you can make a shaker out of this, but what it's really for is like these gold nuggets. And I'm using the Hershey's milk chocolate with almonds. Like, these things are so good. Like, I love these chocolates. True story. Story time. So I bought the chocolates I've bought 3 bags of these chocolates to do this project. Well, take that back. I bought 4 bags of chocolates. So the first bag, me and my husband end up eating them. Like, they never even made it to the craft room. The second bag made it to the craft room, and I was like, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna craft with them. And we just kept like inching like little treats every now and then, and the bag was gone. Went to CVS. They were buy one get one free. So I bought a bag this weekend, and we ate the free bag. Like, I know it's sad, but these things are so good. Like, they are so delicious. But I managed to have some type of self-control. So as you can see, I have the 3 chocolates that go inside the little container. And this also is part of a set from My Favorites thing, where you can create tags and cards using these. So it comes with this one. Let's talk about these 3 first. All right, so these 3 dies are what you use to create your little place for your tag. So, well, actually these 2. So this one creates the perforated line so that your recipient can get it out. And then this one creates this hole in the tag so that you can put this over in there. So for my tag, I just used one of the ones I already have. This will go with any type of tags or dies that you have. It's really cool like that. This is a border that they give you that can go around here so that you can bring in more colors. And these are the little papers that you wrap your chocolates with. Now, of course, you don't have to wrap your chocolates if you don't want to, but I think it's cute when you do wrap the chocolates. So I'll be wrapping mine. So I have 3 of those cut out, and here are the papers that I'm using. And then I have this little hole punch thing that I'm going to use for my tag. So I have like these Halloween papers from Michael's, and I think they are called Moonlit Manor. I purchased them, yeah, they're called Moonlit Manor, I believe. And I purchased them last year, so I'm trying to use up all my stuff, so I don't just have all this stuff sitting around. So let's put this project together. And the cool thing about this project is that it goes together really, really quick, because it just does, like, boom. That's half the project right there. So first up, I am going to grab some score tape, and I'm going to add it along the back side of my tag. And this is just going to hold that container in place. And since this score tape is a little bit wide, it's also going to help hold this tag to the back piece that I'm going to have on here. So I'm pulling that off. And then I'm sitting this right over there. So as you can see, I have like some wiggle room in there. All right, so now I'm gonna sit that to the side, and I'm going to cover my chocolates. And I'm gonna switch to a thinner piece of score tape for this one. Oh, that's cute. The back side of this paper is equally cute. I almost want to use one this way. I'm gonna stick to the plan. But that would have been really cute. Okay, stick to the plan, Trini. Stick to the plan. I promise you the hardest part about this project is picking out your papers. Alright. So I'm just gonna put this in here, and then I'm gonna fold this one, and then I'm gonna bring this one around and fold it onto that piece of paper. So no adhesive is actually going on the candy or the candy wrapper or anything like that. I only like mine on for it to go from one piece of paper to the next. Just, I don't know, it's just me being me. But this is acid free, so I just always, whenever I'm working with like something somebody's gonna eat, I like to take every precaution that I can. I have all my chocolates. Don't they look nice? And I'm just going to add them to here, making sure I put the right side up. We're almost done, y'all. How crazy is that? So this is the back piece that's going to cover that. So I'm going to use, and I picked up the wrong score tape. I'm going to use just a little bit of score tape up here. And then a little around the edges. I don't want my candy to go falling out. That would not be cool. All right. And then we're just gonna line this up, making sure everything is still in place. And it is. And then you press down. There we go. So we have our little treats in their packaging. How cute is that? Now let's finish decorating. Alright, so I like this a lot better. Have some orange in there. Bring in a little bit more color. So I'm just going to keep using score tape for this project. And this is the 1/8 inch. Alright, and now we can add this to the top. And actually having second thoughts about that. Let's flip it this way. Adding score tape to both sides because this is going to go on the front and the back. There we go. Alright, now you can add ribbon. Trying to figure out what kind of ribbon I would like to add. So I have this gray ribbon that was gifted to me. Alright, so I want to add something else to like the front of here. And you can totally like add stamps. You can decorate it however you choose. I'm thinking about adding a sticker. Thinking about adding this little guy on there. Or this one. Actually, I may add him. I like this little fella. I think he's like super cute. So what I'm going to do is add some score tape to this. Even though it has its own sticker on there. sometimes these type of stickers don't do very well to this plastic material. So add in that and put him right in the middle. Eek! He's so scared. And to finish off this tag, I'm going to wrap a orange smaller piece of ribbon around the gray ribbon. Alright, crafty friends, that is the project for today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and then share it with your crafty friends. Sharing is caring. You gotta share. That's the theme song. Alright, so that is it for me today. If you want to hang out a little bit more with me, then watch another video. Hello. Or you can come check me out on Instagram and get in the DM. Say hey, meet a crafty friend, like, you know, talk to me real time or whatever. I'm always on Instagram. My Instagram is becoming fab. I probably should tell you that. All right, so that's it for me today. See you in the next one. Bye.